Hi, this is Jen Thompson and welcome back to Everyday Wellness. Today's topic is all about getting those healthy meals on the table fast and a good system to go by to make your weeks go very, very smooth. All right, so when I sit down and help people with their nutrition and get them clean eating a little bit more and getting the right nutrition in their body, these are the steps I go through personally and how I take my clients through as well. So here we go. We first start with a good list of foods, okay? A lot of times people will just ask me, what do you eat? Just tell me what you eat and then I'm gonna do the same. It doesn't work real well that way because you like different things than I do. So this grocery list that I have in front of me, I use it personally and then I will help you find the foods that your family enjoy as well. And we'll develop this grocery list, or you can take this list with you to the store. But once we have the foods that we like, we need to organize them on a kind of a meal plan, all right? So this is a sheet that I use generally, and I have probably 5 of them made up, so I can just grab them now, but I'm gonna make a new one today because I'm ready for some new recipes with our family. So another trick that I do, instead of scrolling through Pinterest and just not knowing exactly what I'm looking for, I go to Beachbody On Demand and it has hundreds of recipes for me already. And it's laid out to kid-friendly ones, to be mindset ones, to 21-day fix, to all different kinds of recipes, gluten-free, to vegetarian, vegan, all kinds. So whatever I'm looking for, I can quickly go to it and it's gonna give me a lot of recipes to choose from. But one other tip that I do is worked wonderfully with our family is I get my kids involved. They pick out the meal and I start putting them down into different days. I have 4 kids, so I just keep bringing them in and having them look at the screen until they find one that they want me to make for them. It'll be their meal that night. And then I just do dinners because that's the meal that is the most challenging for me as a mom. My kids will eat school lunches or I pack for them. Our breakfasts are pretty fast and easy in the morning. I don't worry about those too much, but it's the dinner that I want to have on the table. So let me show you what I mean by having the kids get involved. Come on over, Gunner. This is my son Gunner and he likes to eat about anything, really. But when I look at this screen with him, I just say, hey Gunner, which ones would you want for your meal? When you're looking. And so he just goes through them with me and then picks which one he wants to use on our meal plan. Oop. Awesome. Ooh, that one is a lasagna. We're gonna make that this week. Okay, so thanks, dude. Bye. And then I ask the next kid to come in and get their opinion on the food that looks good to them. And it lets us try new recipes and makes it more fun at our meals and really keeps them happy. So once I have all this done, which doesn't take long, because it's all right here, then I start making my grocery list, grabbing things out of the pantry, out of the freezer, and I start prepping. And that will be the next segment that I'll show you soon. All right, we're back and I'm ready to start prepping. I have my menu all scheduled out. I'm gonna be making lasagna and chili today because those things can be reheated whenever I need them throughout the week. I'm also going to be doing some chicken meals, but I'm going to do those later on because my chicken meals are so easy and they're all in the crock pot. So those will be ready, but I will have my side dishes prepped and ready to go. All right, so main thing with the chili, I'm going to dump the beans and I'm going to get that going. That's not hard. You know chili is not a tough recipe. Get that cooking and I can be doing the other prep while that is going. I'm going to chop up a lot of vegetables. I put sweet potato in my chili now because it's a really good additive, plus it's so nutritious for my family. So I love to throw a little of that in. I'm also going to be making up a cucumber and onion salad for my husband. He loves it and it'll be great for him when he's home for lunch. And so what I do on that is I cut those up, put them in the bowl, and then I use this Italian dressing that I get through my wholesaler. And it's just white wine vinegar and avocado oil, and I throw in the dressing and I shake it up. Done. Throw that onto the vegetables, and then I'm gonna have some left where I'm gonna use that on a chicken recipe later in the week for a marinade. Pretty simple. Now, I have my Instapot out as well because that is going to make my side dishes really fast today. I'm gonna make up some brown rice. Then when that's done, I'm gonna make up black beans. Super easy, and actually some hard-boiled eggs I'll probably do today too. None of it takes long, I just gotta keep rotating it, so as long as I'm going from my meal list, things are gonna go really smooth for this meal prep today. chopping up some pineapple, so for easy fruit to throw into some meals as well. Now over here I have protein bites. I made these up, probably took me about 5 minutes. It's about 5 ingredients. You whip them together, use a little cookie scooper, and I have a great little snack for the kids when they get home from school, off the bus. I keep them in the freezer. They'll last a lot longer, and you know what? I'll probably share that recipe with you in the next video. So be watching for an easy, quick, healthy snack for your children. And anytime when you're needing a quick snack, it's gonna be so simple, and you probably have the ingredients already. So as you can see, what I'm going to do today will not take a lot of time, but it's going to save me so much time in the long run during the week. My week is going to go smooth because my meals will be prepared. And I think this will work for you too. So make your list. That's step 1. Step 2 is find the things that you can prepare off of those menus ahead of time so that they'll be easy and maybe prepared already when that day comes that you need them. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and keep coming back to Everyday Wellness for more tips on healthy eating, easy meal prep, and you know what? I'm sharing a lot of recipes these days because that seems to be what you want. So keep coming back for more.